let him get away.
Grab some men. We can't let this guy get away. Right. We're here. We'll take this prick down. Something just blew the road apart.
Please state the nature of your emergency.
Cops out here, ASAP.
Mr. Crispin, I'm not gonna pussyfoot around you like my associates do. I've been tasked with handling you, so I know all about your hobbies. You wanna break the girls? That's your business once you're out of the country, but you will not put Mr. Quinn at risk while you're in Chicago. We've lined up a gift for you at the Infinite 92. Ask for the Poppy Special. That's where you'll find your invite to the auction.
Looks like Crispin was on his way to pick up something called the Poppy Special. It's at a club called Infinite 92.
Infinite 92. No official listing. I see mention of it in some thread here. Oh, looks like it's a gentleman's at this club. Underground, of course.
So the Poppy Special is a woman.
That fits the profile Quinn had on Crispin. I doubt Poppy would have survived the meeting.
Be advised, a patrol car has been dispatched
I
as
think
the
we both know
suspect.
the answer to that. I'm going to the club now. Crispin's invite is there.
Squad, this is 225 David, suspect